Have you ever noticed something weird? With some people, you're chatty and full of stories. With others, when they ask what's new, your mind goes completely blank. We usually think about whether other people are interesting, but here's a better question. How interesting does this person make me feel? Your brain is constantly picking up tiny clues when you talk to someone. Are their eyes lighting up when you share something? Do they seem shocked by your thoughts? Are they judging you? Can they handle the real you, or do you need to put on a fake smile? Without even realizing it, you're asking yourself, how much of the real me can this person handle? If the answer is a lot, you suddenly have tons to say. If the answer is not much, you clam up and stick to safe, boring topics like the weather. So what makes someone feel safe to talk to? Simple. They've done the hard work of exploring their own mind first. Most of us have locked rooms in our heads, places full of embarrassing thoughts, weird fears, petty jealousy, or deep sadness. We're afraid to go there ourselves, so we definitely can't handle it when others share their dark stuff. But some brave people have wandered through all the scary rooms in their own minds. They've made friends with their anxiety, their weirdness, their failures, and their shame. When you meet someone like this, something magical happens. Because they're comfortable with their own darkness, you feel safe sharing yours. Because they've talked to themselves honestly, you want to talk to them honestly too. Want to become the kind of person others love talking to? Stop trying to be more interesting. Instead, become more interested in yourself, even the uncomfortable parts. When you accept all of yourself, others will feel permission to be themselves around you too.